Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. Today in this video tutorial I will show you how to update firmware on your Canon R6. Now if you have Canon R6, this is basically the video to go to if you want to update your firmware. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to download the firmware from Canon's website. So head over to Canon's website. This is basically it, canon.co or co.uk. And here you can basically go to the products and apps and softwares, and you can go and find your Canon firmware. Now, once you do it, you can obviously download it. If you're looking for a direct link to R6 support page, you can basically go here. You can obviously go to the search and just type in Canon EOS R6. You can do that as well. So you want to go to firmware and you want to download the firmware. So locate the firmware you want to download. Obviously, hit the download button. Locate the FIR file on your computer, which is basically the firmware file. For Mac, you can double click on DMG file and it should give you a new location. For both instances, you need to locate the FIR file. So once you have the FIR file, copy this onto a blank SD card. That SD card will later go into your Canon device. So make sure it's not in any folder on the SD card. This must go directly on the SD card. And next step is to take that SD card and insert it into the Canon camera. Now, obviously, once you insert it, using an SD card is very simple. You basically go to this icon right here. It's like one icon or two icons from the star. Right here you will have star, you will have one icon, and this is the second icon right here. You want to go to firmware right here, as you can see. So basically you have firmware, click on firmware, you have update right here, and you can update camera firmware as needed. So obviously you can scroll down, click on whichever you want, and this is how it's going to look like, right? So you just click OK, you click on the FIR file, which is the firmware file, and here you can update the firmware. As you can see, this will update right now, and this will be pretty much it, and you will have version 1.7 here. So that's pretty much how you can update the Canon camera firmware using an SD card. Obviously, method 2 is using the EOS utility desktop app. However, I would really recommend this to you because it's much easier to do so. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.